Chicka 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 chicka. Okay, that was weird. I was singing myself a chicken song for my lovely chickens.
Now we have to stay in here until these chickens grow up.
Or until they can provide themselves, like get a life, all that good stuff. Oh wow.
What's the third chicken?
Hmm?
There you are, little chicken. This is fun owning some chickens.
Yeah. I'm glad I killed beef, because if I didn't, the chickens would get really upset. 1, 2, 3, 4, even it up. Even it up some more. Okay. Good. Our basement is going pretty well. I must say so myself.
No, starting silly.
It is already started, silly.
Oh. My bad. I'm not paying any attention.
Oh, I found some iron. Okay, that's kind of good. Operation. No, go away. Go away. I'm gonna get trapped here.
A chicken grew up.
Really?
No.
Oh.
When are they gonna grow?
They're still little chicklets.
Yeah. Can I feed them steak?
No. We're gonna...
Where are you, chicken? Ooh, let's see if they lay eggs. Dang, I can't feed it any steak.
Chickens don't eat like steak.
Now, what do they eat?
Last time I checked, they eat
Seeds!
grass.
No, I think they eat seeds. Dang it, and we have no seeds. Okay.
Yeah. So, did you start it, idiot? This is pretty good so far. I mean, why is there... Wow.
I see a chicken spasm.
You're a spazzing chicken.
Look at this. No. I was so close to hitting you guys. Give me that,
Go away!
Fine.
Wow!
How do you get out?
Get out of the way, James! Go! Get lost! Sheesh, Louise. Oh my gosh, there. Go! No! Okay, go.
Any chicken?
Ah, much better. Okay, so...
I'm ready to kill these chickens.
No! We're not gonna drop anything. They have to be fully grown.
I know, I'm just saying I'm ready to kill them.
Don't be ready. Being ready is overrated.
I'm helping with them out.
No, go away.
Okay, guess you don't want some, cobblestone?
One cobblestone for you.
Oh, I want to do that. That's so much fun. I'm gonna get a lot of cobblestone.
Go do that. No, you're gonna go get your own cobblestone from your chest and then do whatever you're gonna do.
No,
Don't ruin it.
right here. How can I dig it around?
Cause you know where to
Can I dig down?
No, here. Take this, but you better give it back.
Give me all your cobblestone. I love doing this.
Doing what?
Should close this door because I can fall. Whee! That looks like fun. Na, na,
Ah,
na.
this rock's hitting me. Ah. Dun 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 dun. Bam bam. Get up, love. Get up, love. Wait. What on earth? Why is this right here?
Why is what right here?
Dude. The heck?
Let me see if I can get into it.
No, don't destroy it. What the heck? Wow. You are... What the heck? Stop destroying it.
What am I destroying?
You're an idiot.
Oh.
Freaking, what the heck?
Whee!
Oh my god. Go away, James. You suck at building.
Oh,
Shuck.
chickens are having conversation.
Yeah, they're talking about
One's
how...
on crack.
God, crap.
One's on crack. Jumping very, very high. Okay, this video should be almost over.
It is over.
Oh, see you guys later.
Bye.